Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to import reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify. If you're running a dropshipping store, generating reviews for your Shopify store can be tough, especially if your store is new and does not have any customers or reviewers yet. A fast and easy way to get real reviews is to use Shopify apps, and we found one that's really easy to use. Best of all, it's free. We'll guide you through two things: the app to import reviews and the app to display reviews. First, let's check out AliExpress Review Importer. This is a free app that helps you import reviews from AliExpress. It imports review, ratings, text, and photos. You will need to install an additional app called Judge.me Product Reviews for you to be able to display the reviews or export and use them on another review app. First of all, download and install the app. You will see the AliExpress platform, which has a summary of your imported reviews. Choose which products you want to add reviews to. Copy and paste the AliExpress product on the first tab. Then search the name of your product and select it for the next tab. You will see a check mark next to it if the item is there. Next, you can set the criteria for your reviews, such as show only those with pictures and text content. You can also set how many reviews to import. This app allows up to 500 reviews. The app will then start importing reviews in the background. Once done, you can go to the Reviews tab to check, edit, or delete any reviews. On the Products tab, you can check how many reviews were imported for each product. While this app allows you to import reviews, it does not display reviews. To showcase the reviews on your store, you can install another app, Judge.me Product Reviews. If you have already installed Judge.me, there is no need to export the reviews or CSV file, but if you will be using another review app, click Export Reviews and you will see options. Here's how to display the reviews with Judge.me. First, install the app. Click here to download. Choose if you're going with free or paid plan. On the setup, there are two options: installation by Judge.me or installation by you. Go for installation by Judge.me for a quick and seamless process. Next, you'll see where to show the product reviews. Choose one. You will then see which theme to apply it to. Click View Widget on your store, and that's it. You should be able to see the imported reviews on your product page. The good thing about these two apps is that it displays a very professional look. It's nice and clean, so it doesn't distract much from the key item, which is your product. This app loads fast as well, and it will be good for SEO and for your customers who are looking to check reviews. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.